Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Grab a shield and ranged weapon, plus healing items so you can sustain through multiple waves. Position yourself where raiders funnel, doorways, gates, or a narrow path, because choke points force AI to bunch up. Once done, place a temporary wall or door to control entry. Make sure villagers are behind solid blocks or beds. This minimizes random flanking and ensures you can focus shots and blocks. Move with purpose. You want predictable mob movement, you now manage wave flow. Open with precise ranged shots to drop pillagers and evokers before they close, then switch to sword for grouped enemies because melee clears faster up close. Once evokers or witches appear, prioritize them. Spells and poison spiral out of control if left alive. Make sure to stand where you can block and counterattack. Use shield timing to negate volleys, then push forward to create space. Keep moving between cover and attack, and heal immediately when below half health. You wrap up by clearing the last raiders, rescuing or securing villagers, and ringing the bell to reset village status. Once hostile mobs are gone, recheck for lingering witches or patrols hiding in corners. Finish them quickly. If things go wrong and you're overwhelmed, fall back to a prepared fallback room with a door and arrow slits. Heal, then lure mobs back one at a time. Finally, ensure beds and bells are protected to prevent another spontaneous raid wave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.